What's going on, guys? This is week 22, I believe. So this week, I lost the eval account. Um, Very unfortunate. This is the longest I've actually kept an account. But towards the end, I started taking pretty just honestly not A+ trades. It was very unfortunate, but it's just a lot of things to learn from. I usually journal on Top Step, and obviously my account got wiped, so all the journaling that I journaled on it, I lost it on Tuesday. It got wiped out, so I don't have the things for that. Like I have the projection on the screen. I don't really want to go over the trade because I'm not gonna fully know why I lost on it, like what happened, this and that. So what we're gonna do is just go over the trades from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday. Oh, also another thing, guys. Top Step is acting up right now. So what we're gonna do is, Top Step is. I'm literally opening the journal to my trade right now on Top Step. One second. It literally just goes blank. My screen goes blank. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. Something's wrong with your system, but I have the general idea of what I took on Wednesday. So going into market, we're all-time highs. Honestly, I'm definitely looking for we're close to all-time highs. I'm just looking for honestly buys, but we ended up dumping, and honestly, price action was pretty bad. Anyways, we tapped into this 4-hour, fell into a 1-hour, 15-minute. Got this nice clean inversion. Took out the swing high, then I got break even on it. That was that, and then we slowly just went down, with no real good retracements to the downside, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, it was just nothing but just straight down. Nothing really too good. Yeah, it was just kind of iffy. But honestly, this trade wasn't. I don't know. Something about it also doesn't feel right. Just because I feel like we have so many more gaps that we can also retrace into. It wasn't bad trade, but it just could have been better. Could have waited on more levels to be hit, just because we're so in premium. So and then Thursday, no trades. Actually, I did take. Okay, initially, so all this was pre Wednesday. We had FOMC, so that's probably part of why Wednesday was choppy. Wednesday, I'm just looking for shorts. Honestly, looking shorts for down to this level. This gap has gone inverse during pre-market. So honestly, I'm so bearish. Bearish to this level at bare minimum. Bare minimum. So obviously, I'm looking for shorts. Market opens, and we already have a freaking 15 that opened up, and then this whole zone right here, that was a 15. So obviously I marked out the 15, and then obviously the highest point I wanted to see price get to was this 5, and then I knew we were gonna drop. That's exactly what we did. But guess what? No inversion. So I was like, man, okay, maybe we don't take out this level, and we can look for another continuation, or we resweep this high and get an inversion off of it, but chances are not very high. But we take out that low pretty fast, so I was thinking all right, well, we're taking out a bunch of levels. Honestly, I can probably look for longs. I believe I took it off. I got a break even, by the way. Took it off this last 4-hour. Fell under a hold on, let me. It was around right here. Maybe that's where I took it. We'll see. No, yeah, took it off of that level, the lowest 15-minute that price could get to, which was this level. Yeah, and then at this point, I'm waiting for price to have a nice inversion. So we had a 30-second inversion. We had a nice 2-minute break even. It got to the break even point, then stopped me out for break even, then went lower. But honestly, trades like these aren't just as solidified, just because this is a 30-second. We're going against this giant trend that it's just nothing but dump. So honestly, I don't really want to look for like falling knives. You know, I don't want to look for like trades like these. The only thing we should just honestly be looking for is just like something more confirmed, like when higher time frame gaps are starting to get inverse, like a 5, a 15, and then look for a continuation long off of that level. Um, yeah, this could have been really bad. Break even, and then Friday we had a loss. It was honestly not bad. We had a 1 hour, but honestly, this 1 hour, like, it was a good trade. Some people took it, some people took a loss on it. I mean, most everyone took a loss on it. Um, so obviously we've been on this like higher time frame key level. We've been on this 1 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've just been honestly chopping in this range. So honestly, I should have honestly waited for a good displacement off. Like, where's the right tool? It's like a little zigzag tool. Okay, well that shit doesn't matter. We'll figure that out another day. So yeah, market open. Initially got a really clean displacement to the, or not clean. I mean, yeah, it was clean. We got a good displacement taking out this intermediate 1 hour, but I mean, it's been chopping, so you know. Then we got a nice 30-second inversion off this level. Was gonna break even at this swing low, as y'all can see. Nice nice inversion, nice break even. Got clapped. I saw some people took it off the resweep and then the reinversion, and if you ended up breaking even at this swing low, you would have eventually hit for like a 1 to 1.5. But I already got stopped out. Honestly, it's just best to take like just stay off of these trades, especially just because like you know we just been chopping. I think I saw some people took a trade off of 5 minute. I believe of this sweep right here. We have like this intermediate. Would it be an intermediate 15? Is technically speaking, yes, but not the cleanest price action today. We have a 1 hour right here to the upside. Potential 5 minute inversion right here, but it just doesn't look good, honestly. I'll be honest. It's just not the best, most ideal price action today, I'll be honest. What more can I say? Just very choppy. This wasn't too bad of a trade, honestly. Just also got to take into consideration, like, we just keep bouncing from this level, so price can do whatever. I would honestly wait. I'd rather it been like a non-ran through gap, like just like it not ran through, like constantly being touched, like tap. Something that's just like kind of just playing with, like it's just a weird level. But that's that. But I was gonna do one more thing on this video. We're gonna do just one backtesting day. We're gonna try out how I would go about a day. This is a random Monday, so let's see. News. Oh, shit. This is FX Replay, really good. I just started using it, trying to sharpen my skills more. Actually, I never use FX Replay on my damn computer. Or yeah, my computer. I usually use it on my PC. But we ball. We're balling. It's pretty expensive. I've been paying $35 a month, but it's worth it, guys, if you really want to improve. So obviously, I'm going to go around right there. What time is that? That's 7:40. Okay, that's 7:15. Okay, so this day, let's see what price gives us. First, we want to start off, even just seeing like obviously like the daily, like it's just to see if we have any draws. I mean, we are currently on the daily, but that doesn't really matter. Just because we're on this daily doesn't mean we're just going to instantly reject off of it. We could, but we also, no, don't do that. We also have this 4 hour above us that we could start targeting. If we get like a nice clean displacement from this level, then we can start going lower, potentially going lower, then right back up. It's just, price does what it does. You just want to see the overall like draws for the day, like you know, it just depends on your entry points. So we have the 1 hours right here. We also have this high we can mark out. High is marked out. High is marked out. Yeah. We have a 15 right here. Just depending what, like, if the 9 a.m. candle closes as a like a, oh my gosh, I'm tired. I've been doing shit all day. Yeah, if the 9 a.m. candle closes as a inversion on the higher time frame, then yeah, we could potentially look for shorts. But you know, it's one of those days you can't really mirror your bias. Just try to, you know, see what price does. So yeah, put that back there. Put that right there. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So we might have gotten, okay, we took out that low. That was the 815. We have a potential, do we have a 1 minute? We have this kind of looks a little goofy. 2 minute, 3 minute. Wait, the heck? 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. We have a 5 minute right here that we can potentially inverse. If this 5 minute inverses, then I'm willing to take this trade. Only reason being is just we have a clear draw. We have a bunch of LR resting. What day is this? The 17th. Okay. We have a bunch of LR resting right here. And we have that 5 minute. Boom. Not taking it. Boom. Looks trash. Ooh. Damn. We went a little lower. Just got the resweep. Was there a 1 minute right there? Yeah, there was a 1 minute. 3 minute. 4 minute. 5 minute. Okay, it's only 2 candles, so if this candle closes as a, you know, boom. Nope, we're not taking it. Boom, boom. Now we're gonna go lower. Okay. At this point, I'm honestly seeing mad displacement past this 15. We're also on another 15. We're getting really good displacement past this hourly. Really good displacement past the hourly. So I'm honestly looking to take potential shorts. We might not even get anything this day, so if we don't take anything, we don't take anything. Okay. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. What candle is that? That's the 857 candle. Boom. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that wick. I can really see us keep going down. Alright, and boom. 9 a.m. candle closed right there. Inverting that 1 hour. So now what we do is we look for shorts. We tapped that 15. Boom! We tapped it already. Didn't even realize. See that? Boom, we tapped it. But what we always want to look at is see we have a 5 minute. We don't have any 5 minutes. Okay, cool. If we had like a 5 minute right above it, then price tends to like draw very precisely. So that's what we look for. And also this is a day I've never backtested, so you know, just letting y'all know. So y'all like not like 4 minute? Not 3 minute might be the highest time frame inversion. Boom. Ugh. That was a nasty inversion. When does that shit close? 1, 2. I believe it's the next candle. Ooh! That's why we wait. You see what I'm saying, guys? Boom. That's why we wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nope. No trades on this day. Did we open up a 30-minute? Or are we about to open up a 30-minute? I don't really use the 30-minute, but I mean, you never know. It could. I mean, price does what price does. No, we're not getting anything, guys. This is very unfortunate. We could inverse this 15. Potentially look for. No, we didn't even inverse this. Damn. Still holding though. 1 minute. We got a resweep. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. What time is it? Boom, 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 boom. This is It's not too bad, honestly. It's just, it looks a little weird. Solid rejection. 5 minute close. Honestly, if I'm gonna take this, it's definitely gonna have to be just probably a 1-to-1. You know, or targeting at least this low right here, and then what else? Could target honestly lower, but I'm just, you know, just for the sake of the trade, I'll just fucking do this. I say this might be the break-even point. Alrighty. So this is around 27 points, which is roughly around 5 cons. So stop loss right there. Take profit right there. It's not a lot of money. It's just for the sake of the trading, because you can, with trading you could always scale up. So like, it doesn't have to be 260. You could always be freaking risking $400 to make like $500. Not the best in terms of RR, but at least you gotta aim for that 1-to-1, because sometimes you're not gonna get the, you know, the option to take something like that, like a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3, 1-to-4. You know, looks like it might be a loss, guys. You're lying, bruh. Dang, it's one of those types of trades. And it's already getting late in the day. This might be a loss, boys. That hurt. That hurt. Ooh. Did we end up inversing that 50? No, it's still being protected. Wow. Let's see how price ends up playing out. Bro. Okay, well, that's also pre-market, so who cares? That trade could have at least gone to, like, if I kept that at the swing high, that trade could have at least gone to break even eventually. Happens though. Definitely a trade that I'll look over on my own. It's just little things like that, you know, build those good habits, find what's missing in your trading. Pretty sure this is a good trade, but I'm gonna go over it just to make sure, you know, I'm not, you know, taking bad setups. But this is a good setup. I think it just definitely just got late in the day. It started chopping. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.